Okay, you cannot tell me this shoe isn't fire. I was looking at the comments. I'm like, are you serious? This is probably shoe of the year. Like, what is wrong with this shoe? Find one thing that's wrong with this shoe. I'll wait. Smooth little beat. You know what's so funny about these beats? The guy that makes these beats, I've been using his beats for years, and he still hasn't subscribed to my channel. I don't get it. So with that said, make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. But what do we have here? We have the Air Jordan 3 women's for the ladies. So my fellas out there, if you do get a pair, make sure you go a size and a half up. And this isn't the first time I reviewed these. Here's the first pair. And I really love this pair. This pair is just so freaking smooth. And here's the creator of Maniére. His name is James Whitner. And when I was making this video doing some research, I found this clip. Check this out.
In case you didn't know, James Whitner, who is the founder of Social Status and Maniére, is involved in a $32 million money laundering scheme. Apparently, over the last 5 years, James Whitner has been backdooring sneakers to Chinese resellers and using women in China doing a certain activity to wash the money. And to make matters worse, they even got this man's phone tapped with recorded conversations talking about the transaction.
So yeah, and I'm not sure how true this is or what's going on with that. I just figured I'd throw it in the video since I'm making the video. And honestly, none of that's my business. I'm just happy he was responsible for these beautiful ones. These were really nice, and he made these 2s, and he made these 3s. I think the 3s were the first pair. 4s were amazing. These 5s I never got my hands on, but I like this pair of 5s better than the black ones. Also made these 12s, which I love, and I didn't get these or these, so it is what it is. But Maniére, because I forgot, it means this. It means in my own way. And now after that TikTok clip, that, you know, just kind of hits a little different. That's all I'll say. But anyway, let's dive into the shoe. And they come with this burgundy, I think that's dark pewter is what they're calling that. Some kind of dust bag sheet thing. It's really nice. And that's one thing about the brand. James always uses these very mellow, non-vibrant, chill type of tones. That's like the only way I can really explain it. And I love it. I've loved it since he debuted with the 3, the 1, and so forth. And these are no exception. I think these are just an amazing sneaker. Of course, it sort of looks like the black cement. I think that's what he was kind of basing this off of. He basically just flipped the original sale pair to black, which is an easy flip. They're also calling these the Black Violet Ore, and they will be releasing this year, July 18th, for $250. So that's right around the corner. let me know if you're interested in picking up a pair. I think I'll try to hit, but I doubt I'll end up with a pair from their site or wherever they drop. But taking a look at these, again, it's just an amazing sneaker. It really is unfortunate that he's going through those legal troubles now, because will we see any more Maniére renditions of Jordan retros moving forward? I don't know. Again, I just found that clip today, and I don't even know how old it was, but that'll be interesting to see how that plays out. But the tongue is made out of a very, very smooth type of leather. They keep tradition with the, what is that called on the inside? Quilted insides. I love the quilted insides. It makes putting the shoe on a cinch. I love that they put Nike Air on the back of the shoes, and behind the tongue you can see the little A's behind the tongue, and they never fail to like lock in on some of the very small details. That's kind of what makes the brand and their concepts really, really dope in my opinion. The upper of the shoe is predominantly black, and it is very, very high quality. This is what black Jordan 1s, especially the Jordan 3, should always look like. Like back in the day with the Jordan 3s, we were getting that kind of like papery looking leather. Not with these at all. The Maniére sneakers usually kind of have like this boutique, high quality, bespoke type of feel. We have a very comfortable Dreamcell insole, which makes the shoe just a dream to wear. When I was shopping, these felt amazing on foot. And to be honest with you guys, with like the 5s and the 12s, I think the brand kind of has lost a little luster, if you want to say that, with the sneakers. Like when they dropped the 3s, it was like, whoa, this is the best 3 ever. Then they dropped the 1s, it was like, okay. But now you just kind of can't lose with the 3, especially in this color scheme. And I'm not really a fashion guy, but you can pretty much wear these with anything that's plain. I'm sure there's people out there that can style these, the violet ore, with something, but me personally, white socks, shorts, that's the best I can do. And I really wanted to get like the other lace. Oh, look at that. See, on the back of that it says do something, and if you look a little bit closer, I had to peel it back a little bit more, it says do something about it. And I guess that's just a motivational quote. I'm still thinking about that TikTok video, but that's some motivation to make you guys go out and just do something. Like, here's the laces. We get 2 packs of laces with these. There's the sails. And again, I wish I would have threw the sails in the shoe. I just kind of ran out of time doing the review. I know that's an excuse, but whatever. And there's also this really, really nice violet ore lace, which would probably look the best in the sneaker. And if I do another review of this sneaker, I'll do the other 2 lace swaps for you guys so you can kind of see what those look like. I actually couldn't find any pictures with the laces switched other than the black one, so it is what it is. But as always, let me know in the comments, will you be spending $250 on this sneaker? Me, again, I'll try to hit on these for, you know, review purposes, but I don't know. That's kind of a lot, plus tax. You're almost close to 3, and I don't know. The shoe is clean and all that, but we'll see. But peace, love, and light, guys. That's my video for the day. I'll catch up with you next time. I got another dunk video right after this. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like the video. I mean, I like the video. And homage, if you're watching this, I've been using your beats for years, man. Go ahead and just give me a subscription. Come on now. That didn't sound right. But anyway, peace, love, and light, guys. I'm out. 1.